Hi class, it's me, Mr. Morris. I just wanted to make a short video because I've had a few students who've had some trouble with Edpuzzle. I wanted to make sure that I was clearing up some of the confusion that might happen. One of the most common problems that students face with Edpuzzle is they're signed into too many accounts, and because of that, for whatever reason, sometimes it defaults to the wrong account, or if you're signed into two accounts, it just won't work quite right. So what you always want to do if you're having issues before you even get started is open up a new browser window like this one, and where you see this, it's going to be a letter in a circle. It might be a picture of you, but you click on that and you're going to look at where it says sign out. Now if you're logged into multiple accounts, what you actually want to click on is the one that says sign out from all accounts, something like that. You click on sign out or sign out of all accounts. This is going to allow you to sign in just to the account you need, and that's going to make it a lot better. It's going to clear up a lot of the problems that you tend to have with Google Classroom and with Edpuzzle. So I'm going to go to Classroom. So that's classroom.google.com. And it's going to prompt me to sign in, of course, using Google, and that's what I'm going to do. Pick your student account. Always pick your student account. For me, it's the teacher account, but you always want to pick your student account using your student email address from CFBISD. And log in with your information, with your password. And then you want to go to your chemistry class, since we're talking about chemistry. For me, I've got a lot of classes, so I'm just going to pick one of them. It may or may not be the same code that you need, but just go to your class and figure it out. So I'm going to third period. Waiting for it to load up. Go to the classwork tab, because that's where our Edpuzzles are. The first Edpuzzle is the one where I gave you the class code. So I want to go to my first Edpuzzle, which was in gas laws. It may or may not have actually been the first one, but I know that this has the class code in it, and that's Boyle's and Charles' law. So I'm going back quite a ways. I want to find the one that's called Boyle's and Charles' law review. There it is. Boyle's and Charles' law review assignment. Want to click on, well, first of all, you want to copy down this code, this class code, TACONRA. Just right click it and copy it, because we're going to need that. Click on whichever link you need. I'm going to click on Boyle's law, and it's asking me to log in. Don't put anything in the username up here. Go down where it says sign in with Google and use your student account. It might automatically log you in, okay? It just did for me, and I don't want that. I want to show you exactly how to do this. So let me log out. Okay, it's going to prompt you to log in. You click on log in and click I'm a student. Then sign in with Google. So sign in with Google as a student. And then over on the left-hand side, you're going to see join a class. If you don't see that, it might actually pull up this, it might pull up the assignment like this, in which case you would click on My Classes. Click on My Classes to get here where it says Join a Class. You're going to need to do this the first time. Click Join a Class, and we're going to right click and paste that code. It's important that you do that. Click Find a Class. And then this should pop up. Click Join Class, and then you're going to see all the assignments. I'm going to click on Boyle's Law, and then you just start the assignment. You click on Play down here, and after it loads up, it's going to start working through the assignment. You do not skip ahead. You just watch the video. You want to have your volume up. I don't have it on right now because I'm making a video, but have the volume up where you can hear it. Watch the video, and then when it gets to a question, the question will pop up on the right hand side. So about 25 seconds in, we should see that question right here. See, there's a multiple choice question. It says if the temperature is held constant, what will happen to the pressure? If the volume is increased, pressure and volume are inversely related. So that means if the volume increases, the pressure will decrease. You click submit. Tells you whether you got it right or wrong. Then you click continue and you just keep going through the video. That's how you're going to work through these problems. Hope this video was helpful. If you still have problems, feel free to email me. Any pictures might be helpful in helping me to figure out what's going wrong with your Edpuzzle, what you're having trouble with. Another thing, you can request a Zoom conference with me, and I can maybe try to help you with it that way if you're still having a lot of trouble with it. Just let me know if you have any issues, but I hope that this helps with a lot of the problems that you're having.